If you want to have a voice update on what is happening in diagrams.net, then what you can also do is you can enable something called voice plugin. So to do that, you need to go around under the extras menu, and over from there, you can go to the plugin section. So once you go around over there, you can click on the add button, and from over here, what you can do is you can select out voice. So once you do that, you can click on OK and then close it, and it prompts you to restart out the application. If you're using a web version of the application, then what you need to do is you need to go around and then you need to just refresh out the page. So here, this is what you have, as you can see. And then once the voice plugin is activated, you see the voice menu, and you can see speech output is currently turned on. You can go around and choose a voice as you like over here as well. If you are using the web version, then you got more option over here as well. So if I were to go around and bring in some shape like this rounded rectangle, then you can see that the voice says that it's a rectangle.
Ellipse.
You bring in an ellipse and it says ellipse.
Image.
And it brings in an image as well.
Vertical.
So you can see that whatever shape I bring in, you get a voice feedback on what I have dropped in.
Rhombus.
So if I were to go around and select out another shape,
ellipse,
you can see
ellipse.
that it says a certain shape has been inserted. You can go around over here and get the detail of a particular shape in voice as well by going on to the voice menu and then by clicking on hint.
Rectangle at 260 and 120 is 120 times 60 pixels.
So you know exactly what size the that the shape is, just like this. And that is how you can utilize the voice plugin to get voice feedbacks on the things that is happening inside of diagrams.net diagrams. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.